Welcome back, everyone. Let's go ahead and get started with our stability ball plank variations workout. We're going to be doing 4 different plank variations, 30 seconds each, 5 seconds rest in between. Here we go. First one, rollouts. So nice and easy. Coming down to a plank position. Bring it back upright. Nice and slow. Hold for a second. Make sure to bring those hips down a little bit as you roll out. Don't hold your breath either, so keep breathing. Nice and smooth. After this one, we're gonna go into a normal plank hold with our feet up. Our knees up. If you're feeling confident with this movement, you can extend it next time for the next one. All right, here we go. So regular plank, 30 seconds. Just gonna hold it. Feet shoulder width apart. Hips, shoulders, knees, ankles, all in a straight line. 30-second hold. Keeping your chest over your elbows. Keep that ball nice and tight underneath you. Of course, stay nice and tight. Starting to feel a little quiver, that's okay. Working on our stability here as well. Got 3 seconds left, and we're gonna move into floor taps. All right, here we go. This one's a little bit more difficult. Feet up on the ball. Touching the ground. Nice and slow. If you need to make it a little bit easier, you can bring the ball closer to you. Touch down. Good job. Keep going. Keep breathing. All right, great job. Woo. Moving right along, we're going to go into pushbacks. So same position, legs up. This time, pushing back, pulling forward. Keep those arms straight. Walk it back a little bit if it gets too difficult. Keep more of your body on the ball. Yeah. All right, great job. Whew. Take a short break. We're gonna go through that one more time. So we got rollouts, plank, floor taps, and pushbacks. So give yourself a moment, catch your breath. We'll go right back into rollouts for this next one. Let's try to extend our arms a little bit more. Get a little bit more core activation. All right. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Rolling that ball away nice and slow. Forearms down, plank position, extend. Bring it back, nice and easy. Finishing off that core, keep going. Yeah, all right. Great job. Transition into that plank. So remember, forearms on the ball, knees off the ground. Here we go. Keep breathing, don't hold your breath. Chest over the ball. Elbows under your shoulders. Keep going. Floor taps coming up next, followed by one more set of pushbacks, and then we're done. That's it, quick, nice and easy. Keep going. Hold strong. And 1, good job. All right, floor taps. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Remember, walk it back if it gets too hard. Almost there. Keep going. Hold strong. Great job. All right. Getting ready. Reset that ball. Pushbacks. Last one. Here we go. Keep going. Few more, come on. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Woo. Great job, plank variations. Make sure you come back and do that one again. It's tough. We'll keep challenging you. Great job.